Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I wanted to show you a few things I got at the flea market today. First off, I got this, well actually I got two Imperial pocket knives. These ones date from 1936 to 1952. And they got, both got the jig bone handles, scales. This one's a easy open jackknife. The swell end on it. Really a sweet little pocket knife right there. I love the jigging in there. And then got a Stockman here. And just look at this blade here. I love this blade. It's got the spear point with the swedge, and then it's got the long nail pull on there. It just makes for a really cool looking blade. And this one's got the sheep's foot and the large pin. And both of these are in really nice condition. I did kind of have to pay up for these, so I did pay $12 a piece. So those, and I got this smoker's pocket knife. This one's an Oppenheimer, made in Germany. It's got a lot of nastiness to it. It's got some residue in there, a little bit hard to open. Still got to clean it up, but it just has a cool look to it. Cleaning tool there. Okay. And I got this fishing knife. This one's a Rapala. You know, I paid $7 for this, and you can buy these new for probably around $10, so I didn't really get that good of a deal on this, but made in Sweden. I thought, you know, I gotta pick this up. It has just fits in there nicely. Looks like a well-made knife and sheath. The sheath here says Normark on it. So I got that one, and another fishing knife here. It's got the sheath is kind of messed up. It's broken here where the button goes on, but it's got some nice artwork on it, and it's pretty cool. This one was made by, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's kind of vague on there. Where is it? Well, I can't find it right now, but it's on here. But what it says is Anton Wingen Jr. and it's made in Solingen, Germany. I looked this up on eBay, and there's some other knives that are going for, you know, they look nicer than this one, but you know, $100 or so. They're trying to sell them for that. I don't know if they're actually selling for that, but for $7 I got this one. Maybe it's worth some money, I don't know. I'll have to do further research. Alright. I got this cool little lock, made in USA. It says made in USA right there. It doesn't have a brand on it. It does look very similar to a sleigh maker that I've seen. So maybe this is the generic version of it, I guess. I'm gonna try to pick this thing. Hopefully. Alright. Then I got this block plane. It's a Sears. Vintage. Has a cool look to it. Made in USA, of course. And let's see, I guess the last thing here is the Pulley block and tackle, and it just has that look. Definitely has that look. This is made by Durbin, Delco, St. Louis, Missouri. Made in USA. And I got this for $7. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.